हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टूडेंट पॉइंट एकेडमी। आज हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स चेजिंग द सी मॉन्स्टर का। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास। ओके, फ्रॉम द पैसेज फाइंड ऑल द वर्ड एंड फ्रेजेस यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द मॉन्स्टर। मॉन्स्टर को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो भी फ्रेजेस या जो भी वर्ड यूज किए गए हैं उन्हें लिखो। तो सबसे पहले क्या था? अनअर्थली मॉन्स्टर। फिर क्या था? फियरसम क्रिएचर। फिर क्या था? unknown creature, then huge glowworm, huge glowworm, then sea animal, then cetacean, blackish body, and then internal beast, the infernal beast. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका। How long the whole event described in this passage take? Work it out by reading the passage first. From the passage, we can estimate the time based on the clues. फर्स्ट क्या था? द इवेंट स्टार्ट अराउंड midnight with the appearance of the sea monster and continues through the night and into the following morning. Second, at around 12:53 a.m., a sound is heard that suggests the creature is still near. At 2 a.m., the creature is about 5 miles away and they begin preparing for battle. The The battle continues for several hours with attempts to catch or harm the creature. The battle seems to last through the day with a particular focus on the animal's reappearance at 10:50 p.m. the next evening. The attack, the attack involving the harpoon happens very close to 10:50 p.m. and end when the protagonist is thrown into the sea. Thus, thus the entire event spans roughly 24 to 30 hours from midnight of one day to the late evening of the next. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. How did the battle between the sheep and the monster end? Find the copy lines where you find the answer to this question. The battle ends with a dramatic incident when the protagonist is thrown into the sea. A hideous collision occurs and thrown over the rail with no time to catch hold of it. I was hurled into the sea. Next, what attempt did sheep make to defeat the monster? Find out the copy lines from the passage. Describe at least two of the attempt. Okay. The sheep the sheep made several attempts to defeat or capture the monster. First, firing cannonballs. The cannoneer fired a shot, but his shell passed some feet above, some feet above the cetacean, which stayed half a mile off. Second, using a harpoon, Ned Land stayed at his post, harpoon in hand. Then, just as the harpooner was about to strike, the cetacean would steal off swiftly. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका. Find the different unit of measurement mentioned in the passage and get more information about them from the internet. Okay, miles, the distance between the frigate and the creature is mentioned in the mile, such as 5 miles away from the Abraham Lincoln. Cable length, two cable length from the animal, a unit of measurement used in nautical context.